Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of our channel. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make Tony Chopper from One Piece in Infinite Craft. So without wasting any more time, let's start our today's video. If you want to create Tony Chopper from One Piece in Infinite Craft, it's a quite long process. So you have to make it in a long process. As you can see, I am creating it in my background. Just follow the steps how I am creating this one. So you can see what I am creating here. Just follow my steps to create Tony Chopper. We know that Tony Chopper is a popular character from One Piece. So today we are making it. It's a quite hard or easy thing to do. If you take it hard, it's hard. I am here to guide you how to create it. So it's a very simple process, just a long term of mixture. You have to match so many words, so many things together to create Tony Chopper. Now match these things, your Tony Chopper is ready. So that's it guys, hope you liked this video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.